Children, there are some structure on the floor.
Okay, sir.
I wrote here the pronouns I, she, and they. So every pronoun has two options. One is right option, another one is wrong option. You have to select what is right. You have to select right option from the two options. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Ready, sir.
Have you understood? Come on, who will come first? Yes. I have a book. Is it right? Next, she. She has a bag. Is it right? Right. Next. They have a car. Right? Good. Clap. Sanjana. Yes. I have a book. She has a bag. Is it right? Right. Next. They have a car. Give her big hand. Yes. Go. Wait. Come on. Right. Come on. She has a bag. Right. They have a car. Very good. Come on. Venkata Lakshmi. I have a bag. Yes. Next. Venkata Lakshmi, get back. Once again. Come on. I have a book. Next. She has a bag. Right? They have a car. Right. Very good. Claps. Come on. Good. She has a bag. Very good. They have a car. Claps.